good evening, ladies and gentlemen. United in resolve, steadfast in service, ICI stands with the nation. My dear respected Vice President of the Institute, CA Prasanna Kumar D, my very esteemed council colleagues, Secretary ICI Shri Batra, members and students, I address you today not merely in my capacity as the President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, but as a fellow citizen of our beloved motherland. What brings us together this day is not an agenda of the profession, but a matter of the soul of the nation, a moment when our patriotism must echo louder than ever, and our duty to Bharat must stand taller than ever. On 22nd April 2025, India was shaken by an act of profound cruelty in the tranquil and breathtaking valley of Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. Terrorists stuck at the heart of our peace and harmony. India mourns, but India never kneels. In response to this heinous act, the government of India and our defense forces swiftly initiated Operation Sindoor, a bold and strategic counter-terrorism strike that demonstrated unwavering resolve to uphold national security. It was not just a military operation, it was a reaffirmation of India's sovereignty and security. Every Indian watched with pride as our armed forces carried out their duty with precision, discipline, and resolve. Friends, as we speak, there are news coming of attacks around border areas. In these challenging times, I urge everyone to remain calm and composed, and more importantly, vigilant. While news of border skirmishes may cause concern, it is important to remember that our armed forces are taking swift action as per the need of the hour. Let us stay united, stay vigilant, and support one another as we navigate through this situation with confidence and courage. The call for unity resonates in every Indian heart, and it certainly echoed within the ICF fraternity. We stand firmly with the government's decision, actions, and strategic diplomacy that reflect both courage and wisdom. In these moments, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India stands with the nation. ICI does not merely observe from the sidelines. It participates in the cause of national welfare. We stand shoulder to shoulder with the nation. Our hearts grieve with the families affected. Our hands are extended in service. Our minds are united in resolve. ICI has always stood as a pillar of nation building during 1971 war, during any natural calamity, economic reforms, GST implementation, the COVID-19 pandemic, and digital transformation drives. And now, as the country seeks solace and strength, ICI stand even taller. My friend, history is full of moments when we as a nation have been challenged but never defeated. From the battlegrounds of independence to the present day fight against terror, our spirit has remained unconquered. Let me share a small couplet with you. टकराना है मुश्किलों से, डरना नहीं हमें. टकराना है मुश्किलों से, डरना नहीं हमें. हाथ में हाथ हो तो गिरना नहीं हमें. जो बांटने निकले हैं नफरतों के बीच, उनके जवाब है हम एक हैं, यही है हमारी जीत. My dear students, you are the future of this great nation. While you focus on your syllabus, let me remind you, the greatest syllabus is that of citizenship. The soldiers in Pahalgam did not ask who a student was or who was a senior. They protected us all. Now it's our turn to honor them by becoming not only successful professionals, but also responsible citizens of India. Let us audit not just accounts, but our actions. Let us balance not just books, but our duties. Let us calculate not just profits, but our impact on society. To our international chapters and members, your role is equally vital. As ICI grows its global presence, let us carry India's voice across borders. Let every Indian chartered accountant, whether in Dubai or New York, Singapore or London, raise their voice for India. Let us show the world that India is united in this hour of need, but we are stronger in resolve. The role of our armed forces cannot be praised enough. They remain vigilant while we sleep. They walk in danger while we walk in peace. Every soldier in uniform, every officer in command, every brave heart who takes that lonely post at midnight, they are living walls that protects this civilization. ICI salutes our armed forces and every paramilitary force personnel who risk their life for our freedom. Our gratitude must not be seasonal. It must be perennial. It must be perpetual. It must be far-reaching. Let us all support their families with respect, opportunity, and care. This is not the time to remain silent. This is the time to reaffirm our nationalistic career. Our grief must become our strength. Our sorrow must become our commitment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call for unity after Operation Sindoor was not merely a political message. It was a call for national alignment. He led by example, ensuring all political leaders were informed and united. Such leadership in times of turbulence ensures that only republic remains robust, secure, and forward-looking. My fellow professionals and dear students, this is not a regular time. This is a moment that will test our resolve and define our legacy. Let us not be remembered for silence. Let us be remembered for our service and timely action which we take. What we can do as responsible citizens, and more so as student chartered accountants, members and students entrusted with integrity and public trust, it's our duty to stand in solidarity and resolutely. While we may not be at the borders, we can transfer our homes, workplaces, and communities into zones of safety, awareness, and solidarity. Our action and words carry weight. I have observed the surge of content on social media, unverified claims, and misleading information. As educated professionals, we must be vigilant in verifying the authenticity of the content we consume and share. Let us refrain from forwarding or endorsing anything that could mislead anyone. This is a moment when our education, logic, and leadership must come to the forefront. As CA professionals, let us stand as pillars of strength for those who are around us. I especially urge my friends in bordering states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, please take care of yourselves and remain calm. Stay alert and follow all advisories issued by local authorities and security agencies. Your safety is our top priority. I request you to please reach out to the Institute for any kind of help or assistance. Let us also strictly follow the safety guidelines issued by the authorities and encourage others to do the same. It is equally important to extend emotional support to those facing anxiety during this period, reassuring them to trust our nation's system and its protective mechanisms. What the Institute will do? The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India stands united with the nation in this hour of crisis, not just in spirit, but through meaningful action. The ongoing examinations have been postponed till further dates in view of the ongoing situation. We are keeping close watch on the situation and would take necessary steps in the public interest. We are going to organize across the country through 5 regional councils, 177 branches, and 140 CP study circles, blood donation camps, volunteering in civil defense drills, and forming vigilant community groups to enhance local safety and awareness. Our members and students may also volunteers in the respective branches that may join the local authorities in relief operations, including blood donation, arranging dry ration, critical medicine, oxygen cylinders, etc. In every way possible, we will align ourselves as committed partners with the nation and our government, playing our part in fostering resilience, preparedness, and national solidarity. Let us remember, nations are not built only in times of peace, but they are truly defined by how they respond to adversity. As chartered accountants, we are not just financial stewards, but also moral leaders. In these moments, we must rise with courage, empathy, and an unshakable sense of duty. Let this strategy in Pahalgam not be another date in our calendar. Let it be a turning point. Let every IC officer become a center of national consciousness. Let every chartered accountant be a beacon of ethical excellence. Let every student be a soldier of service, even if not in uniform. Let every audit, every return, every consultation reflect not just compliance, but very importantly, contribution. Let us pledge for every soldier who defends the borders, we will defend the economy. For every family who lost a loved one, we will offer solidarity. For every child whose parent never returned, we will ensure a great future waiting for him. I would request all members and students to ignite the spirit of nationalism and use hashtag ICI stands with nation to unite for the cause of nation. In closing, I would like to say that सिर्फ तिरंगा नहीं, ये हमारी पहचान है. सिर्फ तिरंगा नहीं, ये हमारी पहचान है. हर धर्म, हर भाषा, यही तो हिंदुस्तान है. ICI shall walk this path with resolve, compassion and courage. Together, let us transform our grief into greatness. Together, let us build an India where every citizen and every chartered accountant is a pillar of strength and service. इंसानियत हो धर्म, यही पैगाम हमारा है. तिरंगे की शान में ही सम्मान हमारा है. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थैंक यू सो मच.